Here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 12th, and we're giving a potato update. Now, these were planted on March 2nd. These are some of our blue potatoes, and some of them are really hard to see because they are really dark colored, but they're popping up. Some of them's been popping up quicker than others. We'll come up here. Now these are our magic mollies in here. These have not started coming up late yet. They seem to be a little slower to sprout when I planted them last year, so we'll be waiting on these. Now these are some more that were planted on March 2nd, so this is 10 days ago. As you can see, we have some of them coming up. Some are coming up faster than others. All these here, these are my Yukon Golds. Now I can't tell you right now, I can't tell you between the ones that we let healed over versus the others, but these are all coming up good. But you know, there could be a little variant by the size of the eye or the chit that was on them. As you can see, the blue potatoes up there that had long chits, they popped right up, which makes a difference. These are our red potatoes in here, and at the end of the row on that first row, and they haven't come up now, but that's been 10 days, so you can kind of see where it is. These are the second ones we planted. These have only been 6 days. I don't see any sign of anything coming up on these rows. I did want to show you, now these were planted on the 6th, so that's about 6 days ago. These are the old shriveled up potatoes that had the long eyes. And I was talking about you up north being able to start your potatoes early. Now you can see even after 6 days, because these were really wanting to grow. Their eyes were getting enough light that it was turning them green. It's just a matter of planting them in a pot. Now, if I'd have wanted bigger potatoes or something, I might have took a few or cut down a potato. But being these were shriveled up, I planted them whole. I put a few out in the garden. It's a little cooler outside than in the shop, but as you can see, it didn't take just 6 days for these to come up. Now these can stay in the pot for quite a while. Just make sure they're watered, and then whenever your temperatures warm up, if you're in one of those zones to where it's still too cold to plant them, but you want an early crop of potatoes, like I say, it's easy enough. It's all you have to do is start them out in a pot, and then once it warms up, transplant them out into that garden. They'll love it. And anyway, if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give me a big thumbs up, and share this video, and hit that like button. And if you have any comments, as always, just put them down in the description below. Happy gardening.